Elon Musk just did it again, which he is quite good at. The latest Neuralink and Optimus demo has completely shaken the internet. A humanoid robot preparing a full meal using nothing but voice commands. This fusion of brain tech and robotics is straight out of science fiction, but it is becoming a reality now. Before getting into it, do subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all the latest Tesla news and updates. The demo that shocked the world. When Elon Musk walked onto the stage, the crowd was not sure what to expect this time. But Elon Musk didn't disappoint at all. In front of thousands of stunned viewers, the Tesla Optimus humanoid robot stood in a test kitchen. Elon simply gave just one voice command, Optimus, prepare breakfast. And in less than a minute, everybody saw the robot slicing fruit, scrambling eggs together, and plating toast. It carried out all the tasks with human-like precision. What made this moment revolutionary was not just the act itself, but how it all happened. This time, Optimus robot was not running on some pre-coded instructions, but it was powered with a Neuralink-driven command system. This system allows the robot to interpret the natural language and then convert it into coordinated mechanical actions in real time. This was the first time in human history that a robot executed a complex physical task entirely from just a voice prompt and not through some remote control or any pre-programmed sequences. All this happened through AI-driven cognitive understanding and Neuralink-level adaptability. How Neuralink powers the future of robotics. To understand properly how this is such a big leap forward and how this can change the future, first, we have to understand what Neuralink is bringing to the table. The Neuralink N1 chip is actually a brain-computer interface, which was originally designed to help people with disabilities control their devices with their mind. But Elon Musk's vision was always larger than this, and he wants to bridge human cognition with artificial intelligence. The N1 implant is no larger than a coin in size, but it can do many big things. It reads electrical signals from neurons and translates them into digital data. In the collaboration between Optimus and Neuralink, this same technology is integrated into the robot's AI core, which essentially gives it a synthetic version of human-like control. Now, these robots, instead of relying on pre-written code for every single motion, learn movement patterns similarly to how the human brain does. It processes input from multiple sensors, like vision, balance, grip pressure, and then adapts dynamically. This means that a robot can pour juice into a glass without spilling, or it can slice vegetables with delicacy and precision. These tasks may look simple on the surface to any normal human, but getting these things done from a robot is actually complicated. When Neuralink's neural processing met Tesla's robotics, the result wasn't just any other automation but cognitive robots. Machines that can think, decide, and act almost as smoothly as humans. Optimus, the humanoid revolution.
Eliminate poverty. When we started Tesla, the goal was to accelerate the advent of sustainable energy, and that is...
The Tesla Optimus project was started by Elon Musk in 2021 as an ambitious project. Musk described it as a general-purpose robot that can do the dangerous or boring repetitive tasks for humans, but people laughed at this project at that time. And now they are all getting to know how serious Elon was, and he is very serious about this project. The latest Optimus prototype is far ahead and better than its first version, released in 2022. The new prototype has all these new features, like 22 degrees of freedom in its hands, which allows smooth movements and gives it the skills to perform tasks with its hands almost identical to humans. Upgraded wrists and forearms for full rotational control that doubles their flexibility. Lightweight actuators to mimic the natural muscle tension for fluid motion. AI-based balance correction that enables it to recover from any kind of slips or minor impacts autonomously without support from any human. During the demo, Optimus handled a full kitchen sequence like cracking eggs, holding various utensils, and turning knobs with great skill and dexterity. It did all this while naturally responding to Elon's casual voice commands. The robot was even able to identify different ingredients because Tesla Vision cameras are integrated into it. This same technology is used in Tesla's self-driving cars, a fusion of AI, robotics, and neural thought. This partnership between Neuralink and Optimus is mind-blowing, not just because of its technical progress, but for philosophical reasons as well. Humanity has been dreaming of merging human intelligence with machine capability for decades. We have seen such glimpses in science fiction, like Iron Man's Jarvis or Star Wars droids, but this demo is the first tangible step toward the reality of these dreams. Neuralink can decode human intentions like voice, emotions, or thoughts, and Optimus can execute them in the real world in real time. This bridge between mental commands and precise robotics lays the groundwork for a future where we can see humans and machines working together seamlessly. Imagine telling your home assistant robot to clean, cook, or build something without tapping on screens or programming long codes, but just by speaking or even thinking. That's not sci-fi future tech anymore. It has started happening now. Technical marvel: how Optimus understands commands. Optimus's ability to understand voice and neural commands comes from its combination of two different great technologies. One of them is Tesla's AI software that is also being used in its cars for navigating roads in autopilot mode. And the other part is Neuralink hardware. It uses a multimodal AI model, trained on text, voice, and visual data to interpret natural human language. When Musk gave the command, "Prepare breakfast," Optimus didn't just hear words, it also understood the context. It analyzed what breakfast means, identified the ingredients available nearby, and then decided what actions to take to fulfill the command. The neural processor used in these bots runs on the A15 chip that is custom-built by Tesla. This processor ensures high-end accuracy by using real-time motion planning to coordinate all the motors simultaneously. This is combined with machine learning algorithms, which are trained by using billions of human movement patterns. Furthermore, with Neuralink's precision, these robots wouldn't just obey commands, but they'd understand the actual intention behind them. For example, if you say, "Clean the living room, but leave my dog alone," Optimus would instantly understand the subtle feelings behind it and adapt according to it. This Optimus not only follows instructions for one time, but also learn from them for the future. Elon Musk's vision: infinite productivity. At the demo, the excitement of Elon Musk was clearly visible, and he couldn't resist his typical Elon Musk laugh when the robot completed the preparation of the meal with perfection. He said,
Bigger than cell phones, bigger than anything. I guess a way to think about it is that every human on Earth is going to want to have their own personal R2-D2 C3.
Optimus will be bigger than anything we've ever made, even bigger than electric cars or smartphones. Every human will want one, and he wasn't exaggerating his own creation, but anticipating the future. Musk strongly believes that Optimus could increase productivity globally by 10-fold to 100-fold. This would be possible because the humanoid robots like Optimus can handle millions of manual jobs, from warehouse sorting, construction, to even elder care or medical surgery. With Neuralink integration, these robots could even perform complex operations more precisely than humans. Musk once stated that a future version of Optimus might be able to become a better surgeon than the best human doctor in the world. This could actually happen due to the precision that an AI-controlled robot with actuators and feedback sensors can have, which will be better than humans. The drastic change in world economy.
There's not like an obvious limit. Like Optimus is kind of like an infinite money glitch. We're actually getting to the point where we almost feel comfortable allowing people to text and drive, which is kind of the killer app. Because that's really what people want to do.
If Tesla truly achieves mass production at scale, as Musk has promised to the world, it can bring a global transformation. He even joked that Optimus could become an infinite money glitch because of how drastically it can expand the world's productive capacity. Elon said about 1 million unit line production in Fremont. And by these numbers, we're talking about a great revolution in the labor work field and dangerous tasks carried out by humans. Picture a world where humanoid robots perform most manual labor, while humans focus on creativity, management, or exploration. Factories run 24/7 without exhaustion. Hospitals have tireless assistants. Homes have personal robotic chefs, cleaners, and caregivers. This will not just be convenient. It will be an entirely new era of intelligent labor. In the same way electricity and the internet redefined civilization, the Neuralink Optimus partnership could redefine human existence itself. If you're enjoying this breakdown video, then do subscribe to our channel for watching more Tesla bots and Neuralink-related videos. From helping the disabled to enhancing humanity. While this technology might sound too futuristic or even intimidating at first,
Anything. I guess a way to think about it is that every human on Earth is going to want to have their own personal R2-D2 C3PO. So we're going to launch on the fastest production ramp of any.
Musk emphasizes that Neuralink's roots are deeply humanitarian. The earliest goal was to help those who have lost mobility, like individuals with spinal cord injuries, ALS, or paralysis, and it was designed to help them regain control over their environment. Great results are seen in Neuralink's recently conducted trials. Many patients participated in these trials, and patients used the implants to type messages to their families, control computers, or even to play chess with other participants. They did all these things just by their thoughts and without having to move their bodies at all. Now, as we're heading towards the robotics and AI collaboration future, these same individuals could soon control a full-body robotic assistant. A disabled person who cannot use his arms today could become able to cook food, paint things, or even play guitar with the help of an Optimus avatar connected to his mind through the Neuralink chip. This will not only change the lives of disabled persons, but will also change the future for all of humanity.
You mean human consciousness, or?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like immediate, but if you said down the road, would you be able to, say, with the Neuralink, have a snapshot of, or at least an approximate snapshot of somebody's mind?
Musk's ambitions do not stop here, but go even further than this. He has also suggested that one day, Neuralink could allow us to preserve any person's personality digitally. This could become possible by uploading a person's half or full mind and consciousness onto the digital Neuralink server, and then it could be transferred into a robotic body. This totally sounds like a science fiction movie at this time, but Elon Musk strongly believes that this could be possible within the next 20 years. Ethics, identity, and the human-machine line. As these demos went viral, the debates exploded online. Questions like, if robots act, think, and learn like humans, what separates us from them? When a Neuralink-connected person controls an Optimus remotely, where does the human end and the machine begin? These aren't just philosophical questions anymore. They are becoming practical now. Society will soon have to establish some ethical frameworks for ownership, privacy, and consciousness in an age of cognitive robotics. Musk himself has acknowledged these risks and said, "We have to make sure that AI serves humanity and not replace it." That's why Tesla is ensuring that Optimus remains human-aligned by programming it with moral safeguards, data encryption, and strict user control. Neuralink also prioritizes safety with built-in firewalls to prevent unauthorized access from third-party apps or any other brain signals. The road ahead. All this is just the beginning of the next modern robotics and AI era. Elon has also confirmed that the Optimus robots are being tested beyond demos across various factories in real time. These bots are being fully tested in logistics, warehouses, and other labor-dependent industries. The bots are also doing tasks like assembling parts, sorting materials, and managing small-scale logistics. It is a dream of Elon Musk to make these robots as common as smartphones and available to everyone. And he has started working on this dream. He confirmed that the production of these Optimus robots to launch in the mass market has already begun. This demo of the merger of these two mind-blowing techs was not just another flashy tech event. It was an actual glimpse of a future where robots are working with humans, side by side, where robots not only understand us properly, but also help in extending our creativity beyond limits. Elon Musk's ambitious Neuralink plus Optimus demo was not just about innovation. It was about history-making and future-changing. A robot cooking from a voice command today could turn into humanity's digital evolution tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to keep watching such Tesla tech videos.